So the nice thing about Tailwind is that you can customize it if you want to. There are lots of configuration and customization options, and the official docs are the best place to learn all about that. Now here I want to do two things. I want to bring back my nice background and add a custom font. Now for that, I'll go back to the index CSS file. And in there we should keep those entries, but we can still add our own CSS selectors and rules in there. That's not forbidden just because we're using Tailwind here. So we can still set up our own rules, and here I'll, for example, bring back that rule which styles my body. Like this. To bring back that nice background image here. Now when it comes to the custom font, I'm still importing a custom font from Google Fonts in my index.html file here. So that will still be imported even though I'm now using Tailwind CSS. And I can now actually tell Tailwind CSS, with help of its configuration file, to create a new utility class that allows me to use that custom font. For this here in that theme setting under extend, we can add the font family key and then register a new font family with any identifier of our choice. So font family, this identifier here, is not up to us. This is required to tell Tailwind CSS that we want to extend the list of supported fonts it has. But now title here is a new name for a new font that I want to add to Tailwind. And the value for that is an array where we now need to specify the name of our font between double quotes instead of single quotes. It looks a bit strange, but this is how it's required by Tailwind to work. And then cursive as a fallback maybe. And the double quotes are only needed here for this special font which is imported from Google Fonts. And with this added here, if you save that file, you can go back and for this title here, this h1 element in the header.jsx file, we can now also add font-title. And I'm even getting a suggestion here, as you can see. And this font title class is now available because I added this new title font family to the config. And with that, if I save that all, you see I got this look here back. And I can now also improve the look of this paragraph by going to the paragraph and giving this a class name of, let's say, text-stone 500, which is another built-in color I want to use here. And with that, you see that I have this grayish color back on this paragraph. So as you can tell by now, using Tailwind is all about adding utility classes like this, and therefore, of course, a potential disadvantage is that we do end up with long lists of classes like we have it here. And if this is something you absolutely don't like, Tailwind might not be the best choice for you.